can't see.
Very lucky girls to get pre-Christmas gifts. What do we call these, Grammy? I've never had a pre-Christmas gifts.
Me? Hey, turn up the page. I can't see.
Like stuff you can have up to Christmas.
Let's see what you got inside. I got a little reindeer. A little puppy.
Let me see.
It's got a little puppy.
Aw, it's so nice.
What's its name?
Look, Roxy.
Roxy. You already got a name, Roxy.
It's so cute.
Roxy, she has a bow in her hand.
Aw.
I'm going to call it Cutie.
Cutie?
Yeah. It's open the big candy cane. What's yours? Wait, who's the other candy canes for us too?
Pink is for Paige.
Who's candy canes?
Well, I think.
Pink candy cane. There's two candy canes. This cake, yeah, this candy cane is mine. Ooh. This is going to be hard. Is it hard for you to open that thing?
Paige has got the grip. Just got to get in there, Pike.
Like this?
There you go. Send this ice cream in there. What's that? Oh, look, Mommy.
Whoa, beautiful. These are beautiful, babe.
A new outfit?
You can wear them to church, Christmas mass.
Look.
Look, beautiful.
Mommy, look kind of stressed.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Look how sweet. Oh, and you have a camisole like Mommy.
Look what I got.
And Sissy has one
No,
of those too.
it has snowflakes. Mommy, oh, look at this.
Oh, it's beautiful. Can you look in the camera and say thank you to Grammy?
Thank you, Grammy. Thank you.
Wow, can we wear this
What'd you
to
get?
church?
I got,
Oh, you have the same. Let me see.
but except I got
Different colors.
sorted it.
I like the Christmas white. There. Oh, and you have camisole like Mommy.
Hey, this is both of ours.
Hold on, slow down, guys.
It has stickers. Thank you, Grammy.
Let me see.
Me?
Oh.
I heard a dog.
We can make, you know what we can do with these?
What?
We can
Make cards.
make cards to our friends. So we can
What's in
decide
here?
Maybe you can make
Hey,
us
there's some more
one
stuff
of
in
the
there.
cardboards
No?
and write their names.
Yeah, there is.
You want to do that? That's really
What's
sweet.
down there?
Like that says Jack. Like you can put someone's name on it.
What is that?
Like
Guys,
Caroline. And then
let's open the little one first. I got a little one too. What's my little one?
You're a dog.
Oh, that's what I got. Mama! My little bow. What's my little bow?
It's probably.
Your bow. It's over here, babe. I just saw it. You don't have it. Don't worry. Look at it. I saw it.
Well, you clean
No,
up.
when you're cleaning up.
I said, well, we are cleaning
Oh,
up.
there it is. Isn't that your bow? Oh, that's Sissy.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Is
You
this
get the
mine?
penguins. Yes, there's both.
A penguin. And look what I got. I got snowflakes. Me too.
Wow, you guys can do those on the window.
Right now?
Well, why don't we clean up and then you can do that. Sure, babe, here. Usually down at the bottom of these, look.
Bottom.
The bottom, you can open it up.
Where?
Not where you, yeah, right there, and there's